Hi, my name's Jackie Adelbaum. I'm a tech ed teacher at North. I help teach studio class as well as help run the YouTube channel. And on that note, it's come to my attention that many parents are apprehensive about the virtual learning because they don't know the platforms we use in virtual learning. So I'm going to start with Google Classroom. There's two ways to get there. You can just Google Classroom, search, and it's your top hit. Or you have apps in the top left corner, and Google Classroom should be there. Now this is my dashboard as a teacher, but I want to show you on the student side. I'm going to go to North Drive Live. And I'm in my studio class. Here in the stream, many teachers aren't using it. I just haven't put an announcement about parent-teacher conferences. You won't find many things. Truthfully, everything's in classwork. And every teacher should be set up relatively the same, that they have the week, the dates, and then a weekly planner and what's due or what they need to do. Okay. Also, there's resources kids can find and frequently asked questions. I'm going to go to week 2 because it has the best example of a project for us. So first, we're going to go to weekly planner. They open this up, and every teacher is different, but the weekly planner is just a rough sketch of what's being done this week. Okay. Like I said, every teacher does it different. Some have links attached to their weekly planner. I don't. Okay. But like I said, it's a rough idea. This is what's happening. So if you want to print it out, you can kind of do a checklist. It's your prerogative. I don't know how many students actually use a weekly planner, but every teacher should have one. Next is a project. In this class, we had a couple things, but we're going to start with We Video. It's a studio class in video editing. So I'm going to go to View Assignment. It has how many points it's worth, the due date. And then it has my requirements right here. Every teacher's different on how they put their rubric, their requirements into an assignment. I like to put it in my body. You can see I want a summary of current events, include picture, include music, include video, in between 30 seconds to a minute. Very simple. That's what I'm asking for. Okay. Sorry, I had to clear that up so I can show you something. So that's what I do. Some teachers might attach something from their drive, their rubric from the drive, their directions from their drive, and you'll see an attachment. I'll go to an assignment with an attachment so you see what that looks like. Here, you turn in your work. I go to Add or Create, and I'll go to Google Drive. I'm going to go to my drive, and I'm just going to attach something randomly. And you'll see it's attached. I go to Turn In. Yep, that's what I want to attach. Turn it in. So we're good. Here you see private comments. I'm sorry I'm late. Another comment might be, I'm missing the music. I couldn't get GarageBand to work, or whatever. But this is a private conversation between you and teacher or facilitator. Okay? No one else in the class sees it. Okay. Sorry. I lost my page. Back to my class. The other one is I want to show you an assignment with an attachment. One with an attachment. Guided notes. This has a Cami attachment and has a normal attachment. I'm going to do a Cami tutorial because a lot of teachers here in the high school level use Cami because it's doing a digital worksheet. But you would see attachments like this. I got a view assignment. I can see it. I can click on it, and it will give me to Cami. Okay, so that is how attachments look when you see it. Say that is all I got for you. I'm sure there's more tips. I might not know them all, but here is the basics. So hopefully that gets you started.